doing the inside and the outside of this Toyota Crown. I'm using Swift by P&S. This is before even washing it. Got some really great feedback on this one. I would call this hide and shine because Alright y'all, so today doing the inside and the outside of this Toyota Crown. I also coated this one probably about a month ago. This one right here got my 5-year coat in, and so I got some really great feedback on this one. Customers telling me you really got to see like how the water was getting repelled and all that good stuff off of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and get the video started. This is my bronze package that I'm doing on this one. It's not that bad. I'm actually using something new for the interior. I'm using Swift by P&S. And it's supposed to clean and shine at the same time. It does shine a little bit. It's not like a crazy shiny shine, but it's more so like, I guess, like a satin shine. Now, as far as clean, I don't really feel like it does much cleaning, but that's just my opinion. I've been using it for a little bit. I think I'm gonna buy one more bottle just to kind of get my opinion on it, like pretty much down pat and do like a review. But at this point, I would call this hide and shine because I think it does more hiding than actual cleaning. Don't set up or anything, which I guess it's not needed, but at the same time, I feel like this is a good conditioner. What I've been doing with this is like after I do a full interior detail, I'll do like a little light wipe down and I'll come back behind with this. I think that's where it's best at in my opinion, but so far I'm like, it's not the best, I guess you could say. So a product like this, Swift by P&S, there is a place for it. And I feel like the place is more so maintenance type of cleanings. I don't think this is gonna be good for like a deep cleaning. So like I said before, I use this after my deep cleaning. I'll use this to kind of like do a little light wipe down and to kind of condition everything, get it looking nice. It does leave a nice little finish, I will give it that. But like I said, as far as like actual cleaning, I don't think it does much of any of that. Another thing that I'm not really liking about it is the smell. It kind of smells like, I guess you would say like dreamsicle. I don't know, like a popsicle or something, like an orange popsicle. That's what it kind of smells like. And whenever I was using Express had a very strong smell too. And it smelled great, but for a person like me who has asthma, that's not a good thing because it could trigger my asthma. Now, like I said, I can't deny the finish that it has. It does leave a nice finish. I will say that. But if it's a dirty car, this is not gonna work. This right here is brand new. It's not bad at all. So this is what that specific product is really good for. So this car too is coated with the same coating that I just put on this one, and this is before even washing it. Can't complain about that one. So this one I'm just gonna do a quick foam all the way around and let it pre-soak a little bit and then rinse it off. So I did just the bottom, pre-soaked it, just because that's where all the dirt is at. I'm gonna let it dwell for a little bit and then I'm gonna rinse it off. since I done pre-soaked it, got some of that heavy dirt off the bottom of this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use my regular soap, which is gonna be Dirt Buster by Superior Products. Use my one towel method, try to fold it with one hand. And on this one, we're gonna go from the top to the bottom. Turn it. And turn it again. We're okay. Do this process until we used up all the towel basically.